What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is all about Crypto.com, and it's all about gaining investor confidence. So, obviously, we had the FTX situation happen. It's brought a lot of centralized exchanges to the forefront. But Crypto.com, in my opinion, is now beginning to gain investor confidence. Now, there are a few things we're still waiting for. We're going to dive into some of those in this video, but also we're going to talk about these expensive marketing campaigns and why they're actually worth it for brand awareness. A lot of people give Crypto.com a lot of hard times about spending this kind of money. We do know that it's only a fraction of their yearly revenue, about 10 to 15%, because they pay these year by year. It's not something they pay a lump sum up front. For example, the Staples Center in Los Angeles, that deal, $700 million deal roughly, but it's over multiple years and they have to pay it out yearly incrementally. And again, coming out to about 10 to 15% of Crypto.com's yearly revenue year over year. Now, Crypto.com obviously is the main platform sponsor of the World Cup, right? Right now, getting worldwide exposure. And shout out to the U.S. playing right now. I've got it on the TV as we speak, and it's muted over there, still 0-0. But and obviously the Olympics, I mean, these two are the biggest, right? The World Cup, the Olympics, these are these type of stages that you get global exposure. And it's not about conversion rate right now. It's not about the CROIN going up in price because of the FIFA World Cup. Okay, we're in the middle of a bear market. This is more about the long-term brand awareness of Crypto.com. And when I first started talking about Crypto.com way back in 2021, and I still feel this way, the reason why I think this platform will succeed is its name. It's so easy to remember. We have to remember this. 95% of people are not in crypto yet. When they see Crypto.com, they know exactly what it is, right? I won't name a bunch of the other exchanges, but there are a lot of exchange names out there that don't necessarily mean crypto to the non-crypto user, right? Crypto.com, very simple, easy to use. That's why they're spending so much money, in my opinion, on brand awareness. They have a name that I think everybody wishes they had. It's the easiest name to market for cryptocurrency. Now, the price of the CROIN has dropped about 85% year to date, but that's right in line with some of the other top altcoins. CRO is currently ranked in the top 30, still number 29. Now, it's par of the course in 2022 that altcoins are down 85, 90%. There's been a lot of FUD surrounding Crypto.com, and I think it's been unwarranted. Now, I have been very upfront about this. I don't have any of my money on centralized exchanges at this time. That doesn't mean I don't think Crypto.com and the CROIN can't succeed, because here's why. They're different than FTX. They're very different. FTX utilized the FTT token as collateral. CRO holders are rewarded for staking CRO on the platform. Obviously, they get paid out in CRO in rewards as well by using the credit and debit cards. It's a very different situation. And here's the other thing. Crypto.com does not have a sister company like Alameda Research where they're funneling money into. It's very standalone. Here's the other reason why I think investors are gaining even more confidence with Crypto.com. They showed their proof of reserves. They gave us that information, which we'll get into that in a little bit here. And we're also waiting on a major audit. So Marzalik brought up that an audit is being conducted that should have results ready in the next few weeks. This audit is designed to provide transparency to skeptical investors who are worried about the company's financial health. So they're doing everything they need to show people, hey, we're in good standing. We're surviving this bear market. Now, daily volume for the exchange has dropped significantly. It's dropped from record highs in 2021 of 4 billion to about 284 million in October. But that's to be expected. All of the exchanges and their volume is down. Now, 20% of the reserves of Crypto.com are in Shiba Inu. I love that. And that's awesome for the SHIB Army, since that's what customers trade the most on the platform. Everything in reserves is backed 1-to-1. They showcased that already. The Crypto.com exchange is finishing the second year in a row with revenue of over $1 billion with 70 million users globally now. So it's very, very early for Crypto.com as well. They have not been around as long as you would think. They are one of the fastest moving and fastest growing cryptocurrency exchanges, and they've been around here since 2016. So unlike FTX, who bursted on the scene and had this 2-year run that nobody could understand, Crypto.com has slowly built its platform based out of Singapore since 2016. Marzalek and company have slowly but surely added roughly 2 million users every year to its platform. So it's a very different situation. FTX grew to prominence in a very short stint because they were doing shady business. Crypto.com is much smaller than FTX from a trading volume and user perspective because they're building it the right way. They're growing slowly with the best name in crypto, Crypto.com. So I think, yes, all of this marketing that they're doing, it will pay off. It will pay off, but it's not going to have an immediate impact right now in a bear market. But it's about brand awareness. It's about gaining investor trust. It's about gaining investor confidence of those not even yet in crypto. And Crypto.com, to me, they're doing a phenomenal job at this point. Thank you all so much for popping in. Let me know what you guys think about all this down below. Appreciate you guys stopping in. We'll talk in the next video. See ya.